Morning all, good to be with all of you. Alka Upadhyay, Secretary, Animal Husbandry and Dairy.
Good morning, Varsha Joshi, Additional Secretary looking after cattle and dairy.
Good morning, ma'am. Namaskar to all of you. I'm Dr. Rajiv Sharma from FERD department.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Dr. Haribandhu Bhoi, CEO OLRDS.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm myself Dr. Rohini Pathak, Additional Deputy Director, Chhattisgarh.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Dr. Mahavi Sarsiha, Additional Deputy Director, Chhattisgarh.
Namaskar, madam. I am Dr. Nigam Prasad Naik, Deputy Director, Fisheries and Dairy, Odisha.
Namaskar, ma'am. I am Dr. Pradyut Kishore Mishra, Deputy Director, Disease Control, Odisha.
Namaskar, ma'am. I am Abdul Samad Khan, Accounts Officer, Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, Odisha.
Good morning, madam. I am Dr. Sanat Kumar Pandit, Director, IAHP, Kake, Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Namaskar, ma'am. I am Dr. Asutosh Mahanti, Deputy Director, Directorate of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, Odisha.
Namaskar. I am Dr. Antaryami Khuntia, Deputy Director, Dairy and Fodder Development, Directorate of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, Odisha.
Namaskar, ma'am. Myself, Somendra Dhal, Deputy Director, OLRDS.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Lakshmikant Sahu, Senior SDPMS, Odisha.
Namaskar, ma'am. Mithilesh Jassal, AO.
Namaskar, ma'am. My name is Bharat Chandra Sahu, Senior Accounts Officer, SDPMS, Odisha.
Good morning, ma'am. I am AO Bhaskar Kumar from SDPFMS, Odisha.
Good morning, ma'am. Respected all, I am Ashutosh Singh, Senior Technician, SDPFMS, Odisha.
Good morning, ma'am. Digvijay Singh Bish from the PMC team, DTC.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tejas Solanki, PMC team field coordinator.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Niaz Ahmed from PMC team, Zyka.
Chalo, I think we can start. Please.
Slideshow. But in case of Meghalaya, next, yeah. Meghalaya mein rakho. But in case of Meghalaya, there is an unspent balance of 5.32 crores and 1.15 crores interest amount available with the state. They had submitted action plan of rupees 10 crores, ma'am, that we have to release funds only after we have received a refund of the unspent balances as well as the deposit of interest through the NTRP portal by the state. But Odisha got first installment during the current year, ma'am, 16.71 crores we have already released to Odisha. And this is the first state among the eastern states to receive first installment during current year, ma'am. Amount of 16.71 crore is unspent available with the state from the release during 24-25, ma'am. State, ma'am.
Okay.
So what is the status of West Bengal on that?
West Bengal, they have unspent balance of 28.24 crores. We have opened their TSA account. They have also linked to us, ma'am.
So, Varsha, the important thing is this: why have funds not been released in this current financial year? So we can see that there is unspent balance.
Yes.
This action plan is the total action plan, but as I can see, I'm not able to find out. Okay, fund released is
Yes, ma'am.
as in the case of Orissa. In West Bengal, no funds have been released, so West Bengal be in a position to tell us by when, why is it that we are not able to release funds? Yes, I have a thing to say. In NAIP 4, if you're taking up, what is the percentage coverage of AI in West Bengal? I'm sure. So what I presume is it's not going to be very high, because nationally also it is about 25-30% or whatever. So they can increase their AI, so they can increase the AI or based on sex sorted semen, so on and so forth, rather than just spending on awareness generation. So my request here is that after the meeting there will be some time, because today the meeting is going to finish off rather early. The divisions should sit with the states and finalize as to what is the activity that they want to take, and get a timeline from the states as to when will they be able to claim the rest of the money, spend whatever you have or claim the rest. So that is something that needs to be worked upon.
Yes, ma'am.
Approved was 8,43,000, which the states must have sent. The doses ordered are about 1,33,000, and received is 1,11,000. But if you see, the number of doses used is very less, 17,000, which is roughly about 15 to 16%. So then, if you are not to use, why are you ordering these doses? Why is it that you are not able to use? Highest use करा है छत्तीसगढ़ ने, उड़ीसा ने अच्छा use करा है, but what about the other states? Why are you not using the semen doses already received? Can we hear from someone? Let's hear from Chhattisgarh, for instance. 1,01,000 received and only 20,000 used.
Ma'am, I think when they are being used continuously, matlab, there is no issue.
नहीं, but use क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
अच्छा मैम, इसमें हाँ मैम, there is an issue. मैम हमारे यहाँ जो वो 250 रुपीज़ का कंट्रीब्यूशन किसानों से लिया जाता है, दैट हैज़ बीन एन इशू. उसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए 20,000 का फिगर आया है. पर आने वाले समय में वील ब्रिज अप द गैप, बिकॉज अभी हम लोगों ने इसके लिए अच्छी मैम क्या कहते हैं आईसी यूज़ करनी शुरू की है, कि जिन्होंने कभी 250 रुपये दिए थे, वो अब कितने रुपए का फ़ायदा उन्हें हुआ जब उनकी ब्रीड इंप्रूव हो गई, तो उससे थोड़ा सा फ़र्क पड़ा है.
आपको ये मालूम है ना, रूरल एरिया में एब्सोल्यूट पॉवर्टी घटी है
जी.
नंबर 1
जी.
Number 2, the sales of cars of पहले 2-wheelers बहुत बिकते थे, अब रूरल एरिया में 2-wheelers इस समय में the trend is कि and I'm talking about economic data, 2-wheelers कम खरीदे जा रहे हैं, परंतु 4-wheelers ज़्यादा खरीदे जा रहे हैं. So which means the consumption pattern is definitely improving. So this 250 rupees should not be a problem.
Ma'am, it's not about the money. Actually, it's about the behavioral change, because they're used to getting it for free. So it's taking some time. But these are teething issues. Once the word of mouth publicity sets in कि इतने रुपए में इतने रुपए का फायदा हो रहा है, I think most of them would start.
तो आपके यहाँ पे तो self help group movement भी बड़ा strong है.
जी.
And
मैम exactly उन्हीं को use कर रहे हैं, जो पशु सखी वगैरह हैं उनको भी use कर रहे हैं. I have myself attended 2-3 orientation programs where पशु सखीs were there. There I've told this thing only, that 250 rupees is not that big an amount that you can't give.
So now recently we've entered into an MOU with, not MOU, TRF के साथ में हमने MOU किया, and State Rural Development Department के और Central हमारी जो दोनों ministries हैं का coordination अब हो गया है. some of you would have attended जो TRIF के seminars हो रहे हैं, अभी webinars हो रहे हैं. So my request would be, please utilize your cluster level federations, and this goes for all the states. Please utilize your CLFs to see that this consumption is increased. So even though the result is good, that the percentage of females born is very good, but the overall uptake of semen doses is very poor, which has to be improved. It's a cause of worry.
Ma'am,
My request to all the secretaries would be that please review this, and the percentage of usage of available doses should increase, and then I think this will be a good indicator for us to now keep on monitoring कि female carb ratio India में कितना हो गया है. एक हजारिका जी, एक मुझे ध्यान आया, आप BHS करते हैं, आप हर स्टेट का एक लाइवस्टॉक रैंकिंग बनवाइए based on certain parameters, productivity enhancements में कितना काम हुआ, disease coverage में कितना काम हुआ, entrepreneurship, मतलब उसके decide आप कर सकते हो कि क्या क्या parameters होते हैं. आपने कुछ बनाया है वो आप share कर दीजिए, and based on a statistical कहना चाहिए cohort, आप इसको ज़रा करवा लीजिए. Of training, because YF has been doing good work for some years, they've not been working with us, but states में तो काफ़ी अच्छा काम करते हैं. हमारे मध्य प्रदेश में भी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. तो if you're doing it, go ahead with it. उसको एक बार formalize आप कर लीजिए बस.
Okay.
मिनिस्टर्स में मीटिंग हुई थी, उसमें उन्होंने फिर से इस बात का मेंशन किया था कि ये जो ब्लॉक्स हमने लिए थे मिशन उत्कर्ष में, यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होना चाहिए सभी के लिए. इन जनरल उनके इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे. तो आपका परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पर 60% का है, तो विच इज़ वेरी गुड. अब 21% स्टेट का अगर एवरेज था, यही है ना इसका मतलब? ये
21% स्टेट का एवरेज है मैम.
हाँ,
और
60% of the 21%.
स्टेट के एवरेज के 60% पे पहुंचेंगे मैम ये.
तो इसको आपको स्टेट के एवरेज पर लाना होगा, यानी जो 21% है उसके ऊपर आपको लाना होगा. तो इसके ऊपर आपको you will have to pay attention towards this.
They had also trained 25 metris in this.
इसको स्लाइड को ना थोड़ा
नेशनल इसी मिशन उत्कर्ष में नेशनल एवरेज क्या है?
Sir, national average starts from 0 because we had selected the lowest performing district, sir, in this case.